part of the prosecution panel. But as far as we know, they are doing their best in preparation for the upcoming trial sa Senate. At the end of the day, I'm sure both parties are preparing. So, yung impeachment trial kasi sa Senate, it's a good opportunity na marinig yung dalawang panig eh. So, I think it's the most democratic process we can go for. That's why both parties should really be prepared. And I think they're doing that. Thank you.
Saka the prosecutors have been granting interviews naman with the different radio stations, sa social media, sa mga forums. So, I guess on our part, yung mga young guns na nandito sa harap ngayon, ano naman po kami, we've been, gano'n ba tayo katagal dito sa young guns, schedule natin ng Monday. So, yung trabaho po natin to keep the public informed at saka yung mga different programs din namin aside from the political situations, meron din kaming updates, meron din kaming mga local na programs. Ganun pa rin po naman yung on our side, on our end. It's better po siguro sa yung preparations, sumagot na rin po yung mga may interview na prosecutors on how they are handling it right now. Pero definitely, wala, preparations pa rin po. Nasa preparation stage po sila.
Yeah, I think yung sa prosecution team, by the time that the House elected them as member of the prosecution team, they were already had initial meetings with yung possible na in potential legal assistance na makukuha from other law firms. No, I think that's one of the things that they also are trying to navigate on how they can improve how well they would present their evidences once the impeachment court convenes. So sa ngayon, they're still waiting for the actual timeline when the Senate will actually convert itself into an impeachment court. But itong mga cases ay mga impeachment articles of impeachment, I think sa ngayon they have already assigned, but I guess it's proper that you ask the members of the prosecution team. Pero ang alam ko, they have already somehow assigned individual prosecutor to the 7 impeachment articles para yun nung magiging kumbaga division of labor nila kung paano nila i-approach ang pagpapresenta ng ebidensya sa impeachment court.